Welcome back, everybody, to Hey Abbott 1727. Here is the 150 subscriber giveaway video. I have everybody's names here in this list. If you do not see your name, it was due to either not being publicly subscribed or not liking the video. I went back through all of the comments, double checked, and there were some comments that were left, but I had no way of verifying that you were a subscriber of mine. So next time, make sure you get that turned on so you can be a part of the giveaway. So with Thanksgiving time coming up, I think we're going to do some Thanksgiving turkeys. And with it being 150 member goal, I think that we were going to do 1 minute and 50 seconds. So here's the names. Get them ready. Put in here. Get the time put in here. And then we are going to go over to a random dice draw. And I'm going to randomize some dice and come up with how many shuffles. So we'll take a triangle dice and we'll take a square and one of these things. We'll hit roll and we come up with 10. 1 plus 4 plus 5 equals 10. So 10 shuffles. Back to the race. All right, guys. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. 7. 8. 9. And last but not least, 10. Good luck, all. And we are off. Congratulations go out to Guillaume Barnabe for first place. Second place was Home Zoo and Prospecting. Down to 17th was mykill Prospecting. And 27th, we had exactly 27. 27th went to All for Gold. Once again, congratulations to the winners. Please send me an email to heyabbott1727@gmx.com to claim your prize this week. Guys, I appreciate it. Till next time, see ya.